Join me as I dive into the depths of space to uncover what's really happening inside newborn stars. These brilliant beacons of light didn't just appear, they were forged in cosmic chaos. Their births are violent, magnetic, beautiful, and more complex than you've ever imagined. Our journey begins in a giant molecular cloud, a cold, dark region of interstellar space filled with massive clouds of hydrogen, helium, and cosmic dust. These clouds stretch across light years and float silently in the void for millions of years until something triggers them. A nearby supernova, a passing shock wave, or even the gravitational nudging of nearby stars can send ripples through the cloud and awaken its slumbering potential. As gravity begins to pull the cloud inward, it starts to collapse, slowly at first, then faster. The cloud fragments into smaller pieces, each destined to become a star, or nothing at all. These fragments begin to spin, conserving angular momentum, which causes them to flatten and accelerate. At the center of each spinning fragment, a core forms, dense, hot, and growing with every passing moment. This is the protostar, a star in the making. This process isn't smooth, it's turbulent and chaotic. Gas and dust crash together in violent waves. Magnetic fields twist and snap. Jets of superheated matter burst outward from the core at hundreds of kilometers per second. It's a war between collapse and resistance, gravity pulling inward, pressure pushing back, and magnetic forces coiling around like serpents. Even at this stage, some stars are doomed, torn apart before they ever truly ignite. Surrounding the protostar is an accretion disk, a swirling ring of dust and gas. This is the star's personal reservoir, feeding it, nurturing it. But this disk is more than just fuel. It's a womb for future worlds. Tiny grains of dust begin to stick together, forming pebbles, then rocks, then planetesimals. Given enough time, these may become planets orbiting the star they were born beside. From the wreckage of a collapsing cloud, life itself may one day emerge. Deep in the protostar's core, temperatures continue to climb. Millions of degrees, densities 1,000 times greater than lead. The particles inside are desperate to escape, but gravity holds them captive. It's a pressure cooker of cosmic proportions, and eventually something gives way. When the temperature hits around 10 million Kelvin, the conditions are right for something monumental to occur. Nuclear fusion. The protostar ignites. Hydrogen atoms are crushed together under gravity's immense force, fusing into helium. This reaction releases a tremendous amount of energy, radiation, heat, and light that push back against gravity in a perfect, delicate balance. The star stabilizes. It is no longer a protostar. It is a main sequence star. It has begun its true life. For the first time, the star shines. Its light pierces the darkness of the birth cloud, sending shadows racing across nearby dust and rock. This light is ancient, not just in age, but in essence. It carries the promise of energy, warmth, and eventual death. Because now that it burns, the countdown to its collapse has already begun. But for now, it glows. And from across the galaxy, we see its light, sometimes thousands of years after its birth. The birth of this star transforms everything around it. Its radiation sculpts the surrounding gas. Its stellar winds carve pathways through the nebula. Nearby particles are pushed, pulled, and rearranged, some forming new stars, others evaporating into space. It's a feedback loop, the birth of one star influencing the creation of others. Star birth is not isolated. It's a symphony of emergence, playing out across entire galaxies. Some of these stars will grow massive and hot, burning through their fuel in just a few million years. Others will live for billions, like our sun, quietly fusing hydrogen into helium, sustaining solar systems and warming planets. No two stars live the same life, but every one of them was born in the same way, from dust, from gravity, from fire. Their light is their legacy, a story written across time and space. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember, every star was once a whisper in a cloud, a flicker in a field of dust, a struggle between creation and collapse. And somewhere out there, new stars are being born this very moment. Their light hasn't even reached us yet, but it will. One day. And when it does, you'll know the story behind that glow because you were here, witnessing the celestial theory in action. If this journey stirred your imagination, leave a comment below. Let's explore the universe together. And don't forget to subscribe for more adventures into the unknown.